A flat tire is an inconvenience that every driver dreads, but with the right tools at your disposal, it doesn't have to spell the end of your journey. Tire repair kits have become a must-have for motorists, offering a quick and efficient solution to fix punctures and keep you on the road. With the convenience of online shopping, Amazon provides a vast marketplace where you can find an array of tire repair kits to suit your needs. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. TECCPO Tire Repair Kit. Packed with an impressive 100 meticulously crafted pieces, the TECCPO model in this kit has been engineered to cater to every aspect of tire repair work. This tire repair kit stands out as a paragon of quality and precision, adhering rigorously to the highest production standards and a meticulously thought-out design philosophy. It aims to make your tire repair tasks a breeze, saving you time, erasing your worries, and minimizing the effort required, surpassing all other brands in the market. The centerpiece of this kit is the robust T-handle, forged from unyielding A3 steel material. It's not only tougher than its counterparts, but also remarkably resistant to breakage. The plugging tool in this kit exhibits remarkable resilience, resisting deformation and bending with tenacity. The insert tool is precision engineered to ensure a snug and secure fit in your tire. Moreover, the tire repair strip is crafted from premium rubber, guaranteeing longevity and resilience against aging and hardening. It ensures a reliable and long-lasting tire repair solution. To top it off, this kit includes a tire pressure gauge complete with a black rubber valve stem, adding to its utility and completeness. The TECCPO Tire Repair Kit is your ticket to hassle-free and dependable tire repair. With its comprehensive set of tools and materials, you can be confident that you are equipped to handle any tire-related situation that comes your way. Say goodbye to worries and welcome a dependable companion for all your tire repair needs. BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit 22 pieces for car. The BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit, a 22-piece essential for car owners, is your trusted companion for handling unexpected tire issues. This comprehensive kit includes all the tools and materials you need to effectively address tire punctures and keep you on the road with confidence. Inside this kit, you'll find a PCT handle insert tool and a PCT handle spiral probe tool, making tire repair a straightforward process. The PCL hex key ensures you have the right tool for the job, and a jar of lubricant is included for added convenience. But that's not all. The BETOOLL kit comes equipped with a generous supply of 15 self-vulcanizing repair plugs, which are easy to insert and will keep you prepared for the next encounter with a nail or any other sharp object that could compromise your tire's integrity. The package also includes 2 tire valve stems and a 4-way valve stem tool for added versatility and convenience. The T-handle in this kit is notable for its sturdiness and durability, crafted from heavy steel, and it provides a comfortable grip that feels just right in your hand. This versatile kit is not limited to just cars. It's ideal for various vehicles, including Jeeps, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, motorcycles, tractors, lawnmowers, toy haulers, trailers, and more. With the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit at your disposal, you can confidently handle tire issues and get back on the road no matter where your journey takes you. Tooluxe 5002L Universal Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to quickly and effectively repair punctures on all tubeless tires, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. What sets this kit apart is its ability to repair tires without the need to remove them from the rim, saving you valuable time and effort. This tire repair kit boasts a range of features that ensures long-lasting and dependable repairs. It includes a hardened steel spiral rasp and insert needle with a sandblasted finish, providing exceptional durability to tackle tire repairs effectively. These high-quality components are built to withstand the demands of real-world tire repair situations. The T-handle puncture repair tool in this kit is designed for optimal user comfort and ease of use. Its innovative design offers enhanced turning power, making tire repair a breeze while reducing strain on the user. With this tool at your disposal, you'll find tire repair to be a much smoother and more efficient process. The Tooluxe 5000 2L Universal Heavy-Duty Tire Repair Kit is a must-have for any vehicle owner. It's the ideal solution for addressing unexpected punctures and flat tires, ensuring that you can get back on the road quickly and confidently. With its thoughtful design and quality components, this kit is a reliable companion for tire repair, offering both convenience and durability. Slime 50-122 Flat Tire Puncture Emergency Kit. This all-in-one kit includes an analog inflator with a 15.84-ounce sealant canister, making it a comprehensive tool for tackling tire emergencies. One standout feature of this kit is its ease of use and quick repair process. In just 10 minutes, you can repair and fully inflate your tire with a simple push of a button, eliminating the need for jacks or additional tools. There's also no requirement to remove the wheel or the valve core, streamlining the repair process further. The kit plugs into your 12V car charging socket, ensuring that it's readily available when you need it. It's equipped with a dial display, allowing you to monitor tire pressure during the inflation process. The pressure release valve ensures that your tire is inflated to the right level, promoting safety on the road. Importantly, the sealant in this kit is TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System, safe and approved by leading vehicle manufacturers. It is environmentally friendly, non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-hazardous, non-flammable, and water-soluble, ensuring it's safe for both the vehicle and the environment. The Slime 50-122 Flat Tire Puncture Emergency Kit is a reliable and user-friendly solution for addressing flat tires in a hurry. With its quick repair time, convenient design, and safe sealant, it's a must-have for any vehicle owner, offering peace of mind on the road when faced with unexpected tire issues. ARB Speedy Seal 2 Universal Heavy-Duty Tire Repair Kit for Car. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide a complete and versatile solution for tire repair, ensuring you're well prepared for emergencies. This top-of-the-line kit includes a premium spring steel insertion needle with a cast handle, as well as a hardened steel reamer tool. These high-quality tools are essential for efficiently repairing the punctures. The kit also includes 40 vulcanizing repair cords, lubricant, quality pliers, and a blade, spare valve cores, spare valve caps, and an Allen key. With this array of tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to tackle various tire repair scenarios. One notable feature is the included dual-chuck pencil-type tire gauge, which makes checking your tire pressures a breeze. This ensures that your tires are properly inflated and safe for the road. The ARB Speedy Seal 2 kit doesn't stop there. It also provides additional valve accessories and 30 self-vulcanizing repair cords to ensure you have the necessary equipment for making emergency repairs. Plus, spare repair cords are available in packs of 50 from ARB, offering even greater peace of mind for your next 4x4 adventure. With the ARB Speedy Seal 2 kit, you can confidently handle tire issues, making it an essential addition to your car, especially before embarking on off-road trips where emergency repairs may be required. This kit is a testament to quality and comprehensive tire repair solutions, ensuring you're well prepared for any solution. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.